everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I made two tier trays using these trays that I found at the Dollar Tree for my kitchen. I wanted to make a tier tray for a while now, but I wanted to make something that I can actually use every day and not just as a decoration piece. So I made these two tier trays, these one tier tray and one tray. I don't know if that makes sense. But anyway, I hope that you like this video. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. This will help YouTube notice me more and will help my channel grow even more. I hope that you like this video, and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so you're going to need a cake pan, a pie pan, a pizza pan, and 3 candlesticks and whatever paint you want. I only had Waverly chalk paint in white, and I like that color, so yeah, I painted it that color. And after you paint it, this is what it looks like. Let the paint dry. Then I dry brushed it with Waverly chalk paint mineral, in the color mineral, and that's what it looks like. I wanted to give it like a rustic kind of used look. I then wanted to decorate the candlesticks, but I didn't know if I should just use the jute twine or the lace. I ended up using both of them. I glued the candlesticks together, the tops together, and I wanted to make a 3-tier tray, but it just didn't work out. But this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to see the setup, how it would look with the three pans together. You're going to use E6000 to glue the pieces together and hot glue so that your piece can last for a while. So this is what it looked like as a 2-tier tray. As a 3-tier tray. It looked really nice, but it wasn't functional for me and it just didn't work out. But this is what it looks like now. This is right next to my coffee maker. I'm able to put my diffuser and my oils there that I use in my kitchen, and my sugar and all my decoration pieces. I got that coffee break piece and the home sign from Dollar Tree, but this is what the other little tray looks like. I use that one as a decoration piece on my other cabinet in the kitchen, and I think it looks really pretty. I love the greenery and the fact that this only cost me $6 to make compared to me buying a tier tray from the store. I think this turned out really nice. You can customize it however you like, and that's why I like about the farmhouse look, because if it's not perfect, it still looks nice. So I hope that you like this video and enjoy making your own tier tray. These decoration pieces you can actually buy at the Dollar Tree. So thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button so that you're notified when I upload another video. Have a blessed day.